Welcome to this tutorial session for HU deposits. To deposit HU in your wallet, you go first over to Dashboard. Then you click on Deposit HU Wallet. You click on Deposit Wallet, USDT TRC20 deposit and convert to HU Wallet. Now you copy the address here. You paste it. You select the network at TRC20. Then put the amount you are looking to withdraw. You go through the withdrawal process. Right after depositing your USDT TRC20, you will refresh and go to Transaction History. This is the report. Then you go back to your HU wallets. You will see that amount credited here. Go back to Dashboard also here. It's credited.